Today's celebration is not only a commemoration of the years that have passed, but also a living testimony of the countless lives that have been formed.
We renew our commitment to the future. So may this celebration remind us that the legacy of St. Joseph School Foundation Incorporated is not only measured in years, but in the lives transformed through faith, learning, and service.